Wow, a bowl video. Haven't seen one of these before. Ooh, stupid comment. I haven't seen one of those before. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Rob here. You are watching another episode of Man vs. Pin. However, I'm just gonna call it what it is. Man vs. Bowl. A couple weeks back, I actually made some bowls. I put them over on Etsy. They still have not sold. I may have to lower the price. If you're new to the channel, maybe this is the first time you are watching a bowl episode, I'm kind of a big deal in the bowl community. But buried within the comments of that last episode was this gem right here. Print all the bowl comments and make a bowl out of that. That's a good idea. That's some Jenna Marble shit. I printed like at least the first like 50, 60 pages of them. After that, YouTube just fucking broke. You broke YouTube with bowl comments. Congratulations. That's a feat. But I would be amiss to say that you are the only heroes of this episode, because we are sponsored by our good friends over at Audible. And when I say friends, I mean friends, because we go way back. I know that you've heard this spiel before, but I'm going to tell it to you again. 30-day free trial. Your first book is free. All you got to do is go to audible.com/ThreadBanger. There it is. If you got one of these fancy things, all you gotta do is text ThreadBanger to 500-500. That works as well. And they also actually have this new thing called Audible Originals. They are making new X-Files episodes on Audible. Not old episodes reread. Scully and Mulder are reading new X-Files adventures for your ears. To tell you the truth, that's what's been playing around the house. That and old Dr. Katz episodes. All right, to get back to why we are all here, you came to watch a bowl master make a bowl masterpiece. The first thing that you should know is that it took me like a really fucking long time to cut all these things up. So let's just appreciate that for a second. Step one to make your bowl is you need a balloon. Here's a little bowl secret for you. The smaller the balloon, the better. Like, you don't want this like a fucking mixing bowl. Now you just attach the balloon to the base. Once you got that set up, you're in bowl business, you know what I mean? Now it's just you and the glue. My God, if somebody told me years ago my life would equate to making bowls out of bullshit, I would have been doing this years ago. Yeah, there you go. So I'm just gonna apply this first layer of comments backwards. So that way, when you look into the bowl, you'll be able to see them. Huh? This is some expert shit right here. I hope you are taking notes. Mel, make a bowl out of bowls. What? That sounds crazy. Motherfucking pizza bowl. I don't know what what is a pizza bowl? Make a bowl of pure Mod Podge, you piece of shit. There's a lot of anger here. Jolly Rancher bowls, you face. Jesus. It looks like bullshit. Do a DIY cabbage bowl. Why would anyone want a bowl made out of cabbage? Oh, here's one. Make a dick bowl. I'll make a dick bowl for your mom. Oh, shit. We're gonna move on to the second layer. Another layer of comments. ThreadBanger bowl. Heyo! If you could just tell me what that is. This is some bullshit. A lot of you like to say that. You should do a middle finger bowl. What are you, out of your mind? That would be mad. That would be pure and utter madness. I wanted to be real transparent. I wanted to be, open and honest about it. This may be the best fucking bowl you've ever seen on this channel. I'm gonna keep on going. More layers, more glue. How about a Kool-Aid bowl? How about you shut the fuck up? Beer bowl. That sounds like a fucking great time. Give me the DIY for that. Marijuana bowl. Hey! Whoa! Come on now. It is demonetized around here with saying some shit like that. Rob, do a Jello jelly bowl. You do a fucking Jello jelly bowl. How about that? Huh? You should make a bowl made of shit. No, that would be gross. That would be gross. No! Why'd you make me visualize that? When Rob dies, his cremated ashes will be placed in one of his bowls. 2,700 fucking likes. What does that even mean? I don't want that to happen. I'm gonna purchase a 6-pack of Zima tomorrow. What the? Has nothing to do with a bowl. Okay. Another bowl video. What did I expect? I don't know. What the f did you expect? Don't expect shit. all. If you have left a bowl comment in the last year, it is in here, which is crazy. On a side note, I may have used a little too much glue. I feel like things can go really either way with this one. We'll find out. We gotta leave it to dry for a while. Do your thing, bowl. Do your thing. Go to sleep. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, you crazy son of a bowl. Alright, coming back in. It's now been a couple days later because I wanted this to dry and do its thing. But this is what we got. This is it. A lot of the ink from these printouts of the comments, they kind of like bled through. I'd call it art. Step 1, remove your bowl. You can, yeah, that's fine. You can just do that. Okay, a lot of glue here. You guys, this is the big fucking moment. This is the reveal. I'm nervous. Here we go. Woo! Woo! He may have just done it again. And by he, I mean me, speaking in the third person. Like a goddamn winner. Check this shit out. I did it. I did it. Nobody else is clapping. And then he realizes he is alone in his basement by himself. I want you to just take a look at that. Look, you can see in the inside there. God damn it. This could be the best bowl I have ever made. All right, I'm gonna trim it up here, get all this excess off. I haven't been this excited about a bowl in a long time. There it is. This may be like my favorite bowl. Like, I don't want to sound cheesy or anything, but like, we made it together. You know what I mean? These are your comments. My sweat and blood. Best part right there, there's Joe's comment. Print all the bowl comments and make a bowl out of that. Boom, I did. This is a good looking bowl, you guys. Woo, good smelling bowl too. And it's like a helmet. It pains me to sell this, but I mean, this has got to go up on the Etsy page. I don't know if I can let this go for any less than, you know, $2,200. All right. Oh my god. Okay, well that's it. That's all I got for you. You wanted a bowl made out of comments about bowls, and I did it. That is what I do, you know, as a paid goddamn profession. Speaking about making a living, a huge shout out to our sponsor, Audible. Be sure you check them out, audible.com/ThreadBanger. Text ThreadBanger to 500-500. Do me another favor, like up this video, even if you didn't. Oh yeah. Last thing, super important. Halloween is right around the corner. Be sure that you leave a comment below telling me what you want to see on the show. All right, that's it. I'm out of here, I promise. No more bowls for a while. Just a little while. I'm not sure. I like making bowls. All right, I'll see you next time.